Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make a great night, folks. A believer is an optimist who thinks of tomorrow. Duke Ellington. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials up 117, NASDAQ up 42, S&P's up 16, gold contract up $1.30, traded at $1,291 an ounce. Silver down 29 cents at $17.52 an ounce. Copper down 2 pennies at $2.26 a pound. Light sweet crude off $1.02 a barrel at $44.90 a barrel. Bonds, you had the 10-year notes down 12 ticks. 129.21. 30-year bond off a full point, 7 ticks, 162.03. King dollar. Man, oh man, King dollar's going to get up tomorrow, folks, and jump the creek. King dollar smashed down 4.59, 92.59. We're looking for that 92.50. It hit the 92.50 today and just couldn't recuperate, folks. King dollar wants to go jump that creek, jump over the cliff, and get down into the 88 area. Euro is up 72, trading at $1.15, and the yen is down 3 at 106. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at it. What do you have? Okay. So we take a look at the SPY first. What you're going to see is this. This is on all the indices, by the way, folks. This is the first day of window dressing. They got the dressing happening, light volume, counter trend bounce. SPY's up $1.63 today. 60 million shares traded, going into 97 million shares from last Thursday. Friday we did 142 million. NDX 100, 3 Qs, same setup there. Inside the Qs, Qs went up today on 23 million shares. You're talking about coming down last Thursday on 29 million. Lows on Friday with 67 million. So to come back over to the S&Ps again for a second and say, okay, we're going into the Tuesday. I suspect the SPY can get into 208.05. So that's not much from where we are. You know, we'll see whether it has more juice for that. The NDX 100, the Qs. What do we have with the Qs? Qs right now are at the 106.72, and that can get up to 108.12. 108.12 is where the first leg down, which was the 22nd of April. The bottom line is that we've come off the highs. Well, first off, we didn't make the highs. The NDX 100 is the weakest indice. That came down from $111 on Friday, well, $111 at April 19th, down to the 104 on Friday. Has volume on the way down, you get lighter volume on the way back up. That is a B to a C, a potential B to a C of an ABC structure on the way down. Gold contract, what do we have with gold? Gold contract today ran to a price point of $1,306. Right now we're at $1,292. We've done 192,000 contracts. Again, bottom line, you know, gold, yeah, can pull back to $1,272. It's going to take quite a bit to break down into that level. The reason being is you get 272,000 contracts there. Gold broke a B point on Friday of an ABC structure on the way up. So now you have a confirmed ABC structure on the way up to a 1443 level. If we take a look at the continuous contract, what you have inside gold is this. We pull this back. What you're going to see that's out here is that the swing high is 1428 on the continuous contract from August of 2013. That level also lines up with how when we broke topside in February, we had the wide price spread, we had the accelerated volume. It took out that trend line, you know, just like butter. Bottom line, that's where this baby wants to head. Silver, what do we have with the silver market? Silver out here today gets over the $18 area. Can't handle the price as it's over the $18 area. Has the volume, however. So what that is setting up, you're going to get another run topside inside the silver market. We had 1806. You're at 1750. You talk about volatility, man. Silver has so much volatility. It's unbelievable. Bottom line is that, yeah, can you get a pullback into the 1740? Yeah, easy. But now what you have is that silver is making a run. If we put the silver contract on a continuous contract, what you're also going to see is this. We pull this back. Silver right now, 1850. The swing highs that were established out there in January of 2015 is 1850 in the continuous contract. That's where this baby wants to run into. We got to 1803 out here today. The notes, the 10-year notes, what we have with the notes is this. Notes have failed, and the bonds have failed to basically bust over the highs. This is we have now 3 higher lows inside the bond market. You know, the notes are at 129.22. I expect we're going to run down to 129. We'll see how it handles there, and 128 is game. Now, the big number here, folks, is the dollar. We go over to the dollar index. The dollar hit 92.50 today. Your price projection for this August 24th, high volume swing lows, 92.50. So we whacked that. And what did it do? Nothing. Okay? So what does that set up? What that sets up is this. That sets up that it very well could jump the creek tomorrow morning. If you jump the creek tomorrow morning, what that specifically means is that gets in a good night's sleep, wakes up in the morning, says, listen, I want to be out of here. You jump that creek. We've been in this consolidation since January of 2015. That's quite a while for this consolidation that we've been there. You know, we'll see if, in fact, that's how it's going to shake out. If you jump the creek tomorrow, what you're going to see is you're going to see all the commodities go to the moon at about a heartbeat. It looks to me, whether we jump it tomorrow or we jump it in a week and a half and build some cause, I suspect it's going to happen. The reason I expect it's going to happen is this, is that the gold contract has a confirmed ABC structure on the way up. The dollar index has a confirmed ABC structure on the way up. Many of the gold and silver equities have already broken B points, broken with volume, and have taken off, okay? So there's action all over the place, and that action is topside, and it has the price spread, it has the volume, it has all of that. So that's what I suspect this whole thing is going to be bringing us. We're going to get a lot of that tonight, too. What you'll see, folks, is that you'll see this dollar index contract have high volatility as soon as Asia opens, which is about 4 hours from now. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Dow Industrials closed up 117. You had the NASDAQ up 42. S&Ps are up 15. We're going to be right back.